At Appliance Master, we understand loyalty. More importantly, we understand our loyalty belongs to you, our customer. Did you know that appliance technicians working in a retail environment are hired, trained, and supported by the appliance retail dealer and the manufacturers that supply them?
That means their allegiance belongs to the dealer and the manufacturers, not me.
Appliance Master is an independent service organization. Our primary focus is always on you. Your local technician is thoroughly trained and supported by a dedicated team of quality professionals ready to service your specific appliance at a fair price when you need us most.
Appliance technicians who work for retailers and manufacturers perform most of their service work to support product warranties, not necessarily their customers' needs. That's why they will recommend replacing a relatively new unit rather than repairing it just to make a sale.
With Appliance Master, there's no outside pressure. Our relationship is with you, not the manufacturer, the retailer, or limited warranty. We provide you with a knowledgeable and responsive local technician who is trained to give you the loyal service and support you need for all your appliance repair needs.
The loyal team at Appliance Master wants you to know, like, and trust us for all your appliance service needs.
At Appliance Master, we pledge our decades of home appliance experience and allegiance to you. We can show you the value of servicing and repairing your appliances for long-lasting efficiency. Call today or visit us online at appliancemaster.com.